Hey guys, we're going to be looking at BTS's Wings concept book. This thing is huge. It's like 6 pounds, I think, but it is so thick. I love this little black crack, which of course goes with, I think it appeared in at least a couple of their music videos. And then this nice clean white, even though it's kind of hard to see on the white background. But, and then it just says, oh jeez, Wings concept book, and then it just says, big hit, this new big hit logo that's been BTS logo that I think popped up on their YouTube page, and then your BTS little sticker. And it does come with a photo card as well. So let's open it up. Hopefully I have enough space. Yeah, we do. Okay. Over here, oh, I hated cutting this, but you have to cut it open to get in, and you get 2 cards. So you get a nice one from their Blood, Sweat, and Tears, and the other one's more of their Spring Day kind of look. They're really, really like silky smooth. And then you just pull your string. Oh my god. And of course the book moves because I'm not holding it. And you get you a thick photo book, which is black with like a, almost like one of those rainbow shimmery, I can't think of the word, things there. Oh, like foiling. There we go. Okay, so let me pull this cover out of the way. So here we go. Photo book. Oh god. I don't know if I'm prepared for this. It's so big. Okay. So this probably is going to be a long video. So I'm not just going to flip through really fast. I haven't looked through this yet, so I have no idea what I'm going to see. So, ooh, I love this. Table of contents. So you have the beginning, short films, their comeback trailer, photography, Blood, Sweat, and Tears. Ooh. First stages. Oh, so we're going to get their stages too. Interviews. Never Walk Alone. It's a good album. And the Wings Tour in Seoul. Ooh. BTS Wings timeline. Okay, so the timeline in which things came out is like, are we getting the music video timeline? Are they going to tell us what finally happened? In view of the world from Demien? I just hope they have some of this in English. Which it looks like we don't. So it looks like they have some music video, kind of storyboarding, the transformation of the Wings logo, I guess, kind of how they came out with it. That was short film number 1. That was cool though. Just their storyboards of each member's like little short. I'll have to get my translator app out and have it translate all this. Yes, because I know they were based off books. Okay, so we have our short film. Oh yeah, English. They're always making Jungkook cry. I wonder who actually did like the art pieces for the films. Oh, Jungkook gonna cry. Look at this close up. Oh, Jimin's. Oh, I love that painting. Jimin like really stepped up his like attractiveness game for Blood, Sweat, and Tears, man. That dance and everything. Stigma, that's bees. Tay-tay. Oh, his with the little puppy too. And then the cage comes down. Oh gosh. Oh. You could easily tie this part into his story with I Need You. Since his like father, I think it was like abusive. First love. Music. Sugar. Ratman. I like his hair the best from You Never Walk Alone. That purple. That's so nice. Oh, and him tatting himself again. Oh, he did that in another one of their music videos. One of the early ones. I can't think of what it is. I haven't really seen their old music videos in a while. Was it Danger? No. It's the one where V cuts his hair off too. Ah, J-Hope. This was perfect because Mama was, oh, I guess these are all kind of their solo tracks. Oh, and then he ends up in Jimin's space. J-Hope's performance comeback trailer. Oh, Boy Meets Evil. This dance routine. I loved it. And I love when they performed it with Jimin on stage too. And he actually had the blindfold on. I was going to say, are they going to show the part where he flashed a little skin? J-Hope. Oh, I loved this dance. The only thing I didn't like were these sleeve things flinging around. I thought they were like too long. Oh, that photo of Sugar. Oh, looks so good. Now, the only thing they needed was like a DVD that just explained the whole concept. And just played all the music video cut pieces in order that the story is supposed to be. Oh, Jungkook. I loved his set with all the feathers. I'm loving that hair. V. I think V had some of my favorite photos. It was a pain to paint. That pattern on that jacket took me forever. Ooh. I didn't know he was on a trampoline. Oh yeah, you can tell here. Love that jacket. Whoever their stylist is, like, is epic good. Oh, Jin's little flower crown. I don't think I noticed before the paint on V's hand. Blood, Sweat, and Tears, title, music, and dance. Oh my gosh. Oh, and storyboard. I love that part. God, look at Jimin. Jimin. That hair and just the way he danced it. God. It's like he was trying to be like a seductress. God. J-Hope over here. Oh, this set though, like, oh, this is beautiful. I mean, look at the painting up top. They went all out for this music video. For this set. It's almost like a fantasy. Oh, Jungkook. Oh, you can see the wires. They can have a picture of him doing the absent. Oh, here it is. That little hand shot. I'm just gonna leave this in this spot. But you do get like a bookmarky thing, so you can put it wherever your favorite image is. Oh, that's funny. This was a cool set. Oh, this part. Oh, Tay-Tay. He was just working it under that fabric, man. They didn't get to show this set that much, so you didn't really get to see their outfits. Jimin. This part was so cool. I just love this music video. Oh, and this part, jeez. Because Rightman does that long quote piece. Then we come back in with him playing like this mini organ. Oh, Jin's kissy scene. Oh, oh, jeez, Jin. Well, we all know this part of the dance. They're crotch thrusting. Oh, I love their live performance where V pulls his shirt down and you see on his back the like almost like scars of like wings being ripped out. Oh my god. I've watched it like 15 times. Oh, something about Icarus. No, he was all about flying too close to the sun. Scene by scene. Oh my god. We're like halfway through this photo book. I'm not prepared for a 10. Oh, Jungkook. I almost said Jimin. That's Jungkook. Cookie. Oh, they're going to talk about their wardrobe. I love that jacket. Or shirt. Whichever it is. At least they don't tell you what company and stuff made it, because people will probably be out there buying all this stuff. Ooh. That's so cool. It's like weird different seeing it like flat and not on a person, because it's like you actually get to see more of the design and pattern of it. Interviews. Paper kind of changed a little bit now. It's more of like a map. Oh, BTS. There's our English subtitles. Okay. I'm not trying to hurry things up. Oh. Jimin's was one of my favorite solo songs on the album. Oh, the first stage, Mnet M Countdown. Yeah, you gotta get that Jimin hair perfect. I hope they have the performance. They might not have it. Like I was saying, that one with V and the ripped back. I would love to have an image from that. I know a lot. I've had a couple comments where people say my hands are like Jimin's because they're short fingers. I have small hands. Stage 2, 21st Century Girl. This one was funny. I think they sang happy birthday to Jimin before they actually did that dance. 3:56 a.m. I can barely stay up till 11 o'clock p.m. Ooh, oh, you can rip this out. There's like a perforated edge here that you could fold and tear these out, tear it out. It would just be as one big piece, like you can't tear them individually. Ooh, they did it, this one too. It's really, really glossy paper too. Yep. This is my favorite Rat Monster hair. Oh, I loved the confetti. This was my favorite with the bandanas. Yes. And this one, oh, that's a really, really nice Rat Monster photo. I always think Rat Monster looks the most attractive when he's on stage performing. Not today. Yes. I get hyped to this song. Like when I'm listening to it at work, people get concerned. I loved the piece that they stood on. It was almost like a reflective glass, almost. I don't know what it was, but it was awesome. Alright, so that's probably all the perforated pages that you can tear out if you want. The Wings Tour in Seoul. 2017 BTS Live Trilogy, Episode 3. I know you guys can probably read it, but I'm doing it anyways. I'm gonna have a lot of translating to do. Oh, this was for the short for before the concert. It looks like 3 different people almost. Oh, look at Pink. Oh, Sugar with the butterfly. Oh yeah, these were the photos for the mini cards, and I think the larger cards that you could have gotten. And the posters. So it was like all the concert goods. Like this blue with cloud stuff. I thought they were okay, but they were too strongly blue toned. Tour VCR shooting. Oh my god. I love this. That is beautiful. Oh, Jimin with that blindfold on again. Oh, buddy. Ooh. This jacket. Sugar. I didn't know if I was gonna like him with his dark hair back because I'm so used to him always having it colored, some kind of random color every time. But I love it. Just keep looking better and better. Every music release. Concert rehearsal. Yeah, it looks like this is when Jimin had his pink hair. And J-Hope almost had like a 3-toned hair. 2 or 3 kind of colors. And the big wings. I bet fans were hoping Jin was gonna come up in here and kiss it. I haven't seen the concert, so I'm not sure. I still love that hair. Not today. I should have just worn those spike masks that J-Hope wore and No More Dreams. Oh, he wore a blindfold? What was he performing? Probably a solo song. Why? So I was gonna say, these people in all white is not BTS. Oh, they all probably did their own solo tracks. Ooh, oh, this must be J-Hope's mama. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Why is Suga wearing a robe? These jackets look familiar. I think they did BTS self-done music video. I can't remember the name of the song, what it was though. I think they were wearing those jackets. Ugh, I want to go to a BTS concert so bad. I refuse to see any other K-pop concert because I almost got the Monsta X tickets. But I decided not to because I really want to see BTS in concert first. Or at least go to like a K-Con and see BTS. Oh my God. There it is. I'm going to slip this little sleeve thing back in real fast and then I shall show you my photo card. Yeah, we'll put it in here with J-Hope. Well. Okay. God. Stay. There we go. Okay. I'll just put these side by side. Case photo book. So I got, so these are like, what are they called? They're like lenticular, I don't know. They're the cards that kind of change. So on the back, it just says BTS concept book. So it looks like the photo book. And I got Suga. I get Suga all the time. So let me see if I can get it to change for you guys. So it's like him sitting, standing, blood, sweat, and tears. And then it's like his sequenced jacket look of him. You can't tell if it's working for you guys. Oh. So hopefully it worked for you guys. You were able to kind of see it working. But let me know you guys' thoughts on the photo book and everything. I was kind of hoping there would be a CD just with all the behind the scenes stuff together in one place and maybe more of a what the actual story was, because I know there's so many different fan theories, out there, it's like I want to actually know what they were thinking. I want to know what the correct answer is for it, but I really like it. I love this style photo card. Hope they'll stop doing CD plates. Groups will stop doing CD plates and do something like this, because you kind of get 2 photo cards for the price of 1. So I think it's really, really nice. But I loved the photo book. It was so long. It gave me everything I wanted. I loved it. But let me know your guys' thoughts down below. What you guys think of the whole wings concept. I'm thinking it might be the end of the whole concept now, especially since they came out with a huge photo book, concept book, and everything. So I can't wait to see what their next album is. Like and subscribe, and until the next video. Bye guys.